Hi there, Poppin PJ here. I'm going to share with you a fabulous piece that we're going to make using a piece of wood and a couple of bottles of wine. That's super easy to do, so join me and let's see what it is.
So I have found center on this piece of aspen wood, and I am going to use my hole saw. It's a 1-inch hole saw to make a hole at each end of this piece of wood. I have found that the 1-inch hole is the perfect size to slide very easily over the 2 wine bottles, as you will soon see. I really like the aspen wood because it's soft and very easy to work with. Turning the board over to go through the reverse side. One hole done. Look how nicely this sits right over the top of the bottle. Now to make the second hole. And there it is. I didn't cut my board first before I made the holes, and that's okay, it worked out, but I'm going to cut it now. Love the sound of the board when it hits the ground after you cut it. Now to sand our shelf. I am going to use this red chestnut color stain by Minwax. I think it's just beautiful, and I actually used this color on my Crate-tastic shoe racks I made. Our 2 holes in a board wine bottle shelf for holding our wine glasses and more is ready to be stained, so I'm staining it now. Making sure to get inside the holes, each side of the board and the reverse side. This is the first coat, but I will be putting 2 coats of stain on the piece.
So I needed 2 bottles of wine, and I wanted 2 of the same bottles for the staging of this piece. So I found these Merlot bottles of wine in my basement. I have no idea where they came from, but they are going to work for presentation. So let's check it out.
So what a beautiful presentation of your wine that you're going to be drinking with your guests, and the beautiful shelf displaying the glasses. And then as you can see below the shelf, I actually have a DIY scrap wood flameless candle holder that I added to this ambiance. Thank you for joining me for another PJ's Garage creation. If you enjoyed this video, please pop that subscribe button, like, and share. And as always, thank you.